Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will design fully realistic cloud using dynamics. Select a soft cloud like brush, open brush setting and activate shape dynamics. And also add size jitter for random clouds form, reduce angle jitter for round edges and add slight roundness jitter for soft shapes. Begin painting clouds clustery softly, build the base structure first, and also add highlights using light pressure, deepen shadows using strong pressure, blend edges with soft scattered strokes, create multi-layered clouds form, and also adjust jitter setting as needed. Shape dynamics makes cloud feel alive